So I have a new phone and it's inside this box. This inside the box, and it's another box. I've got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra edition. I'm not going to bore you with the specs of this phone or do a speed test and find out if it's 1/10 of a millisecond faster than the other phones available out at the moment, because who cares? I don't. You probably wouldn't notice that sort of difference in everyday use. But I'll tell you two things what made me get this phone. The first is the camera, which everyone's talking about. Apparently it's meant to be amazing, but I'll do some tests going forward to find out if it really is. And the second thing is the 512 gigabyte storage. So there is two versions available, the 128 and the 512. I've gone for the 512. I know you can store everything in the cloud these days, all your images, videos and music and stuff, but that's an extra cost and it's not always convenient. So if you're on holiday somewhere remote and you don't have good data on your phone, or the internet in the hotel is absolute garbage, you'd have to either carry around an extra external hard drive to store the images. Here you can store it. I mean, 512 gigabytes should be more than enough, and also you can expand that with the micro SD card and expand it by another 512 gigabytes, which is amazing. I was doing an upgrade, and those two reasons, the camera and the storage, were the main two reasons I went for this particular phone. If you're doing an upgrade and you want the latest Android phone, I'll suggest getting this one because it's the latest one and it will give you the best experience of an Android phone you want. Obviously, if you're an iPhone user, you probably wouldn't want this at all. Without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. So this is it, the Samsung Galaxy S20 box. Pretty standard stuff. So the last Galaxy phone I had was the Galaxy S8 Plus, which I really liked. It's a really good phone. You could hold it easily, the camera was good. After a while, obviously, after extensive usage, had a few cracks and nooks on the phone, and then I had to replace that with a OnePlus 7, and now I'm back to Galaxy phones. Let's have a look and see what's up. So straight away, you see the phone inside here. There's a box, it's quite light. It's got the tool you need to open the SIM card slot, the place where you put the SIM card and any extended memory cards. Doesn't seem to be much else in there apart from some pieces of paper which no one is gonna bother reading. That side. Here it is, phone itself. So I've had to go for the grey version compared to the Galaxy S8. It's not too much bigger, which is good. It is a little bit thicker, but that's fine. Like I said, I really like the size of the S8 Plus, and I'm sure I can get used to this. Looks pretty good. So that's the camera. Let's see what else is inside the box. A UK charger. 3 prongs. You get some USB-C cable. And some good quality USB-C type headphones. Let's have a look at the phone again. This is the phone. Got the grey version. There seems to be nothing else in the box. So there wasn't much in the box. The phone, which is going to be my main phone. Like I said, I didn't buy it to review it specifically. I bought it as my main phone, and the two main reasons being the camera and the storage, the huge storage. And the camera is what I'll be testing out in the next few videos. If you want to watch them, make sure to subscribe. There's not much else in the box, to be honest. There's the USB-C headphones and the UK charger and charging cable. It's quite disappointing there's no phone case or anything like that, which is a shame, because this is all glass and can easily break. But anyway, that's not too expensive to sort out.